Yo. You are about to witness the illest rhymes of 2021.
2021, better believe it. I'm on it. New year, new me shit. Every one of y'all is gonna feel it. Listen, pay attention. Looking in the mirror, damn right I'm blessed. About to start new semester, yeah I'm gonna flex. Teachers that hate me, give it a rest. Cause I'm an ace every single one of them tests.
Loser. That's cause you don't have anything to do.
Ladies, please stand in line. You too, honey, you get your time. How's that for first few lines? It ain't even a rap song, just nursery rhymes. Captain of the football team. Basketball's MVP. You do not wanna beef with me. This is the Matrix trilogy, and I'm the one like Keanu Reeves. Cute but deadly like Bumblebee, and I've just gone platinum on PUBG. Ghostface killer on the killing spree. Bet all you haters wanna be me. Top end scores on my mark sheet, and proxy ain't a pound for me, cause I'm homies with the HOD. I am the valedictorian, you're gonna need the DeLorean, cause I'm in the future when you in the past, and I'm always present when I'm not in class. And that is a fact. Yup, and that is a fact. Look, you're forgetting that I am a legend. Like Johnny English, Bruce Willis, I'ma get them. Walking like it's my kitchen, cause the canteen's my kingdom. Know how they say that food is life? Well, trust me baby, I'm living. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet. While you're spending hard, I don't pay. Too much sauce for you anyway. When it comes to food, man, I don't play. Never mind that, I'm a player. Tell a girl I ain't seen her later, cause I'm no look Bobby, ball at my feet. Playground's green. Adam Sandler, me machine. LFC, yeah, that's my team. Winning the league, yeah, that's a dream. Renegade, though disagrees. Homies with the rivalry. Frenemies, cause he's a monk, born and bred, MUFC. Yo, I'm the life of the party, automatically iffy, so you oughta invite me. Yeah, cause my moves lit when that beat hits. Twirl and whirl and I spin that shit like Beyblade. Man, I let it rip and I tell no lie when I move my hips. I don't talk the talk, man, I walk the moon. Then I moonwalk and I hear him swoon. It's sad, y'all, my sisters though. All them could've been to them false hope, cause I'm just a guy that tells them jokes. Just read it now, so my shit is dope. Could've sat with me on the Iron Throne, but too bad you love me like a bro. Yo, I'm the life of the party, automatically iffy, so you oughta invite me. Yeah, cause my moves lit when that beat hits. twirl the world and I spin that shit like Beyblade. Man, I let it rip and I tell no lie when I move my hips. I don't talk the talk, man, I walk the moon. Then I moonwalk and I hear him swoon. It's sad, y'all, my sisters, though. All them could've been to them false hope. Cause I'm just a guy that tells them jokes. Just read it now, so my shit is dope. Could've sat with me on the Iron Throne, but too